Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna provide you the coupon codes for Nike.com. Before watching the video, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And without wasting time, let's get started the video. Let's get started. And the first offer is 10% off on your order by using this code. And the code number one is XMAS10. So this is the first code, and the second offer is up to 25% off on your order by using this discount code, and the discount code is ACESS. So this is the discount code for getting up to 25% off on your order. So guys, use these codes and get rewards, and thanks for watching the video.